all the students and my listeners. Today discuss about the another pyrimidine basis for the synthesis of de novo synthesis of pyrimidine, which is the most simplest compound than the purine, but it is synthesized. How it will be synthesized in the body, that is called the de novo pyrimidine synthesis. So this is the structure of pyrimidine, a nuclear heterogeneous compound, which is the N1, N2. This N coming from the glutamine, carbon dioxide C is coming from the via carbamyl phosphate, and C is the ribosyl pyrophosphate and aspartate. So this pyrimidine ring, it is the synthesized for the free pyrimidine, and it is incorporated into the nucleotides, and this origin atom pyrimidine nucleus. Biosynthesis of pyrimidine, uracil in this group, three bases like uracil, cytosine and thymine. De novo synthesis of pyrimidine. Biosynthesis of pyrimidine is the simply form than the purine biosynthesis. The following diagram of the sources of the different atoms of the pyrimidine skeleton N1, N6, C6, C5, C4 are coming from the aspartate, and N3 coming from the glutamine, and N2 and bicarbonate, which is coming from this. So these components must be present inside in your body for the synthesis of pyrimidine. In pyrimidine nucleotides synthesis, the ring is completely before the linked to the ribose 5 phosphate. In case this, that is the difference between the two biosynthesis. In case of purine biosynthesis, first starting material is the ribose 5 phosphate, but in case of pyrimidine biosynthesis, starting material is not ribose 5 phosphate. After the end of this process, the ribose 5 phosphate attach with the position number 6 of the pyrimidine nucleus. The first step or step 1 reaction, carbamyl phosphate synthesis. This reaction occurs in the cytoplasm, and urea synthesis. The reaction is the mitochondria also. This nitrogen of glutamine and bicarbonate reaction from the carbamyl phosphate, and figure to this enzymes carbamyl phosphate synthase 2. Carbamyl phosphate is also 1, which is used in the urea cycle, and that the difference between the CPS1 and CPS2 are described in the table on the differences of it. But the rate limiting step or rate regular step, they are the phosphate, aspartate, committed the carbamyl aspartate, and enzyme is the aspartic transferase acid, which is the allosteric regulated, and the atom C2 and Cn derived from the carbamyl phosphate and rest of the aspartate. Formation of the next step 3 for formation of pyrimidine ring. The third nitrogen and fourth carbon are joined by the covalent bond, and the carbamyl aspartate is the acyclic and dihydroorotic acid is produced. The enzyme dihydroorotase, and step 4 oxidation. Hydrogen atoms are removed from the C5 and CX6 position, so the arotic acid produced enzyme in the dihydroorotic dehydrogenase, it is required NAD coenzymes. The formation of OAMP, thus the formation of OAMP, dihydroorotic acid, ribose 5 phosphate and dihydroorotidine, and PRPP, it is the donor of the ribose 5 phosphate, the enzyme orotid phosphoribosyl transferase. Next 6, the decarboxylation C7 of OAMP is removed to carbon dioxide, and so that uridine carbon monoxide. The synthesis of triphosphate, and last the formation of CTP, and this is the pathway by which it will be formed. First one, the starting material bicarbonate with glutamine to glutamate, ATP to ADP, it is carbamyl phosphate. CP2 is the enzymes, and carbamyl phosphate to carbamyl aspartate, then dihydroorotic acid, then orotic acid, and orotydyl acid, and uridylic acid, and uridine diphosphate to uridine triphosphate, and ultimately cytosine triphosphate. Then all these short forms and full forms given in the below. So these are the pathway by which it is a so simple process. Total 9 step of reaction involved in this reaction. Here the carbamyl phosphate is finally converted into a citidine triphosphate, then uridine triphosphate or thymine TTP, thymine pyrophosphate. The regulation of pyrimidine nucleus. Every reaction is regulated, otherwise excess will be produced. In case of uretic, the first three enzymes via CPS2, ATC and dihydroorotyl reductase also present in the multi-enzyme complex and referred to as the CAD, taking the first letter of three enzymes and the last two enzymes which is present in the single functional component. Because of these outstanding enzymes, the remaining enzyme dihydroorotyl reductase in the mitochondria, the major regulatory step prokaryotics in the reaction catalyzed by the aspartate and carbamylase. The mammalian cell are regulation by the CPS1 and which is inhibit the UTP and activation of PPR synthesis. Further, OMP and decarboxylase inhibit the UMP and the requirement of ATP and CTP formation of stimulation by the GTP and CTP synthesis, accurance and balance synthesis for the purine and pyrimidine nucleotides. And pyrimidine nucleotides can also salvage like purine by using PRPP and phosphoribosyl transferase and nucleic acid. Both the gene expression and the enzymatic activity is regulated. The first three and last two enzymatic are regulated by the repression and depression, which is under the gene expression. In class later we discuss it, depression and repression. So this is the pathway by which you can utilize for the synthesis of pyrimidine nucleus. So we say the successful and unsuccessful people do not have very grateful in their ability, they have their in their desire to reach their potential. So thank you all the listeners for listening the pyrimidine biosynthesis. Then we discuss about the disorder of pyrimidine metabolism.